due to insistent distributors' demand, not only from the Philippines, pati yung mga taga-Africa. Pati yung mga taga-Africa natin na leaders, gustong-gusto in-network. We're putting it in our network system with 1,500 pesos suggested retail price per pouch. 10 packet siya meron per pouch. Ang distributor's price is 850. May commission points na 170. May repeat binary points na 7. Pwede siya pang PMA. May 0.1334 positional points. That's why come April, ayan, April 2025, ang PMA of the month is our Barley Glow. Kapag ang accumulated income mo less than 200,000, ang PMA mo is 1 pouch. But good news, everybody say good news. May libreng isang Angel E-Retail bag. Okay? If income mo, accumulated income mo is 200,000 and above, ang PMA mo is 3 Barley Glow. That's 2,550, pero may free. Everybody say free products. May free products ka na isang Angel E, isang iGlow 24